Dateline April 23rd, 2018. At 21:31:57 Coordinated Universal Time, or 10:31 p.m. Central European Time, a magnitude 4.2 earthquake struck 191 kilometers west of Longyearbyen, Svalbard, and Mayen. Its location, 78.058 decimal degrees north by 7.338 decimal degrees east at a depth of 10 kilometers. This area is no stranger to earthquakes, however. There have been 9 in the area in the past 7 years of magnitude 4 and higher, at depths varying between 4 and 11 kilometers.